Alright, let's talk about the UI3. To reach it, we need to click 11 times and then press on the 12th. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and alright, those were 3 flashes, which basically means we're in UI3. So basically here we have 4 modes, out of which 3 you can edit, 1 you cannot. So let's start with the one you cannot, which you can also ignore, but heck, here it is. Turbo. Basically you can hold and press, okay, for a momentary turbo from off. Okay, it's pretty cool. If you're in another mode, let's say we're in whatever mode and we do the same thing, it's gonna be the same thing. The turbo is okay, it's there in the same way. From off, which is very important, of course, the turbo can be also made to be a constant, basically a fixed mode, by just pressing a bit longer but not pressing all the way. Alright, it's not a quick press, but it's a slightly longer press, okay, until you see the turbo. If you press and keep pressing and keep pressing, of course it's gonna be momentary. Alright, but if you do it like this, okay, it's pretty simple. So that's about it. You cannot do anything about that, but then you have 3 other modes which you can edit, and that's pretty neat. You have basically shortcuts to all of those 3 modes. First shortcut to first mode, or whatever it can be your last mode if that's what you want. Second mode is click and hold, alright, from off, of course. And there's the third, which is double click, which is currently moon. Okay, to advance 2 modes, basically only 3 modes, not more than 3. That's all, 3. You just double click. Okay. So each of those 3 you can edit. Basically there's a ramping function which has 2 ways of working. There's a smooth ramp and there's a stepped ramp. Whenever a end level of ramping is reached and the button is still pressed, that ramping will change. But if no top end is going to be reached, then the ramping style, meaning smooth or stepped, will be memorized. Yeah, well, that's it. Quite interesting. Okay, so let's say we want to change this this output. Click and hold. All right, so we have a ramp up. Then we're gonna have a ramp down, which is gonna be stepped because we've reached the end. And back is gonna be smooth. All right, we stay here. So let's say we want to simply change the mode again, and this time, because it was a smooth ramp up last time, it's gonna be smooth again. Okay, smooth up. All right, when we reach the top, it's going to be stepped the other way, for example. Okay, let's say we're in this mode. Okay, it's going like this down. All right, it's pretty cool. So let's say we're starting in this mode. Okay, double click to advance. Oh yeah, and there's always turbo, if that's what you want, of course.